this time, we will start with an introduction with me, Kevin Fadila. First, the background information. The use of technology in today's era is very much needed, especially in the world of education. The application of technology can support the learning process. This is expected to make learning more interactive, flexible, and easy to understand by students. Next is the problem statement. The way to see if someone is able to use any language is to see if they can speak and if they understand what the other person is saying. Listening and speaking skills are very much needed in language learning. However, this is still a problem in some schools, especially in Indonesia, and especially in a remote area. This is due to the lack of educated media, lack of understanding of the use of technology, and even the lack of teachers' roles in developing students' listening and speaking skills. Next is objective. In this case, we aim to invite schools and teachers to maximize the use of technology in language learning, because this is considered to have a great influence, especially in the development of students' listening and speaking skills. The main target of our project is SMP Negeri 1 Pelapat Bunga Regency, Jambi. And finally, the scopes of project. We made SMP Negeri 1 Pelapat the main target of our project because in that school, technology is still rarely used optimally. The technology provided is also inadequate, as well as the lack of teacher understanding in the use of learning technology. Therefore, we designed a lesson plan with our main product being the use of Lumi in English learning, focusing on improving students' listening and speaking skills. In this product, we use Independence Day material in accordance with the teaching materials for grade 8 of junior high school from a Ministry of Education and Culture. However, we adjusted it again so that material is easy to understand for both teacher and students.
Okay, the next is chapter 2. The chapter 2 is literature review. The first one is overview of existing work. The use of technology in English language learning has become the focus of the research, which has impact on student language skill, especially speaking and listening abilities. Technology integration, including the application we choose, namely the Lumi application, has great potential to improve the speaking and listening skill of grade 8 student at SMP Negeri 1 Pelapat. Next is gap analysis. Technology has great potential to language learning, opening up opportunities for more interactive and effective approach. However, in formal environments such as SMP Negeri 1 Pelapat, its use is still hampered by various challenges. One of the main obstacles is the limited availability of the adequate technological facilities. Next is theoretical framework. The first one is listening. This is from various sources. The first one is according to Kim, 2013. Listening is process of receiving, comprehending, and interpreting auditory inputs, and it is vital to interpersonal communication, language acquisition, and academic achievement. The next is according to Brinley, 1998, Musa and Vojkar, 2019. Excellent listening skills are essential not just for effectively comprehending spoken communication, but also for cultivating empathy, forming relationships, and avoiding misunderstanding. Next is from speaking. According to Yuliana 2013, Budiarta and Krismayani 2014, speaking is process of thinking and reasoning so that someone's conversation can be accepted and understood well by others or listeners. Speaking is closely related to listening skill, both are a unified unity. The last is according to Pais and Rinaldi 2006, Shakur 2018, By mastering good speaking skills, students can communicate their ideas both in class and with foreign speakers, and also maintain good relation with others. Their skills are closely related to pronunciation, grammar, vocabulary, discourse, and listening skill.
Okay, so the next material is about project design. So the project design began with an analysis phase aimed at identifying project needs, target users, and learning goals. The target users was grade 8 junior high school students, with teachers as facilitators focusing on independent state tradition. Key needs included improving listening and speaking skills through interactive activities, incorporating cultural content, and utilizing Lumi for better resource accessibility and text management. And the learning goals center on enhancing student communication skills and fostering teamwork and community values. And the design phase involve creating a detailed framework and lesson plan with activities aligned to cultural themes. And in week 1 included a video viewing activity, speaking test with flashcard, and listening comprehension exercises, followed by reflection and video homework. And in week 2 involved brainstorming, listening comprehension text, feedback, and generating ideas for celebrating Independence Day. Storyboards were creating to integrate listening strategies and interactive text using Lumi. And in the development phase, the lesson plan and the digital resources were created based on the design. Flashcards with Independence Day themes, audio scripts, and homework tests were developed and uploaded to Lumi. Tools like Canva, CapCut, and YouTube were used to create and edit visuals and video. And lastly, the validation phase involved testing the lesson plan and gathering teacher feedback through interviews and feedback forms. Adjustments were made, such as refining materials and aligning lesson duration to the teacher's schedules. And the next is objects and participants. The objects involved included lesson units designed to improve listening and speaking skills using both top-down and bottom-up strategies. The lesson plan focused on cultural topics, specifically Independence Day tradition. And the target audience comprised grade 8 students as primary learners and English teachers as facilitators and evaluators. And the next is procedures. The project follows structured steps: data collection, which involve interviews with teachers and observing current teaching practices, and analysis, where gaps in teaching, listening, and speaking were identified, along with the feasibility of using Lumi, and design, which included creating lesson plans, storyboards, and selecting materials like flashcards and audio. Development involving the creation and upload of materials to Lumi, and validation, where feedback was gathered to refine and finalize the materials. And the last is tools and techniques. Various tools and techniques supported each stage of the project. During analysis, interviews were conducted via Zoom to gather insight. In the design phase, WhatsApp was used for consultation with teachers to develop teaching scenarios. The development phase utilized Canva for flashcards, CapCut for editing videos, and YouTube for hosting listening materials, and Lumi for interactive text. For validation, feedback was collected through WhatsApp due to time constraints, ensuring the teachers' inputs were incorporated effectively into the final lesson plan.
And this is for the chapter 4, which contain the pace and activities that we do and what week done it. And this is a team role or task by each group member.
Okay, so the next material is about findings. These projects include several key components to enhance the learning experience. The lesson plan is a structured guide uploaded to Lumi outlining pre, while, and post-learning activities, such as video viewing and flashcard tasks to effectively support teachers and students. And interactive quizzes are integrated into Lumi to test students' understanding of dialogue and vocabulary. In this, helping to assess listening comprehension and vocabulary retention. And next is digital flashcard featuring Independence Day theme, image, and presence are provided to encourage creativity and improve speaking fluency. And audio materials include dialogues discussing Independence Day celebration, design the develop listening skills through through relatable and context-based scenarios. And the last is the homework. Submission feature on Lumi allows students to submit video assignments, fostering reflection and speaking practice beyond the classroom. These components collectively create an engaging and interactive learning environment. Okay, I think that's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, next is comparison with objectives. The project that we have worked on has succeeded in achieving the initial planned goal, namely creating more efficient learning through maximum use of technology. Our main focus is to support the teaching and learning process at SMP Negeri 1 Pelepat, especially for grade A students. By implementing this technology, we hope to create a more interactive learning experience. Next is discussion. The use of technology and applications such as Lumi has succeeded in creating a more interesting and interactive learning environment, thereby increasing student learning motivation. We conclude this based on the result of the interview with English teacher at SMP Negeri 1 Pelepat. The teacher said the students at school were more enthusiastic when learning was carried out using technology compared to the conventional lecture method or delivering material.
The next is limitation. This project will focus on developing listening and speaking skills in 8th grade students at SMP Negeri 1 Pelepat, Bungo Regency. This project also focuses on the maximum use of technology in the school environment, and the technology we choose as learning media is Lumi and YouTube. The topic chosen this material is independence. The next is recommendation. Schools are expected to able to provide technology to support the improvement of student learning. Teacher and student are also expected to able to use technology well, and its use also requires supervision from teachers, such as the use of mobile phone, computer, projector, and other at certain times, such as only during learning that requires the technology.